Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Alauddin here from CatNest. So we are having overall 6 branches: Maleshwaram, Rajaji Nagar, Basavangudi, RR Nagar, RT Nagar. So now here I am just going to tell you about some softwares like civil software. So about the civil softwares, what we are going to teach here in the CatNest. So let it start the video. Just see it. Here we are having some list of software list. So which one we are going to teach in the CatNest, that is AutoCAD Civil, Revit Architecture, Archicad, 3ds Max, Google SketchUp, Primavera, MSP, StatPro, ETABS and Luminar, and some other more softwares also is there available. So we'll discuss later about that. So let's start this one. So first it is there here AutoCAD. So this AutoCAD is from the Autodesk company. So this is mostly AutoCAD is a computer aided design and drafting software that architects, engineers and construction professionals rely on to create precise 2D and 3D drawings. Okay, automated such as comparing drawings, counting, adding blocks, creating the schedules and more. Okay, it is easier to import and export of the files, and we can apply the point clouds and layer featuring we can do, and the accurate and it will reduce the errors. So what errors we are going to make in that AutoCAD, it will reduce the errors. And the principle on which AutoCAD works is this dynamic engineering model. Okay, and you can look up some models here in the AutoCAD. So this is some layer features we have applied here: dimension, text, leader, annotations, and everything we have applied to this plan here. This is the 2D plan, floor plan. Okay, so here you can see the elevations also here. So we can create a elevation design, section design, staircase, call outs. This everything we can create in the AutoCAD. AutoCAD is for the 2D drafting. We can do the 3D also, but it will take more time to do the 3D in. So most of the basic things 2D design we are going to do in AutoCAD. So next software it is there here, Revit. Say Revit is a BIM supported software here. Okay, so Revit is from Autodesk company only. This Revit is a building information modeling software for architects, landscapes architects, structural engineers and mechanical, electrical and plumbing engineers, designer and contractors. The original software was developed by Charles Sever, okay, founded in 1997, and it is renamed Revit Technological Corporation in 2000 after purchasing of the Autodesk company in 2000. So in 2002, the software allows user to design a building and structural and its components in 3D and annotate the model with 2D drafting element and access building information from the building model database. So Revit is also called as 4D BIM, that is building information software capable with tools to plan and track various stages in the building life cycle. And see this one, in this Revit we can do the automation, collaborations, okay, coordination, scheduling, energy analysis, rendering presentation, construction documentation, and this software also built on as parametric modeling. Parametric modeling is an all-inclusive phrase referencing the creation of 3D models from the set of the rules. Okay, and now you can look up some 3D models in the software, Revit software here. So this is Revit Beam. So that what we'll call as in beam. So what it will create a beam, that is building information modeling. In that one we can build, operate and design. That detailed designs we can do, analysis, documentation, fabrication, construction technology, operations and renovations, programming, conceptual designs we can do in the Beam software. Okay, so now let us see this one here, some another software like 3ds Max. 3ds Max is the modeling software. So this software also from Autodesk. So 3ds Max, formerly 3D Studio and 3D Studio Max. It is a professional 3D computer graphic program for making 3D animation models, games and images. 3ds Max is broadly used by civil engineers and architecture engineers for 3D design visualization. Civil View stimulates the process of sending data from Autodesk Civil 3D to 3ds Max, designed to help civil engineers easily creating completing a visualization of their projects. Like example of this project for 3dx Max, like interior design, lighting, rendering, material of this interior design or exterior design, and setting in the background images, so giving a light effects in this one. So you can have a look on this images. Like in 3dx Max we have did some projects here, like interior design as well as exterior designs also you can make here. So this software we are not going to call as a Beam, but it is a modeling software, and this is also which software here. So let us see this for next software as a SketchUp, that is SketchUp Pro. SketchUp software is a 3D modeling software, that this software also called as a Beam supported. SketchUp is a 3D modeling computer program for a broad range of drawing and design application, including architectural, interior design, industrial and product design, landscape architecture, civil and mechanical engineers, theatre, film and video gaming development. Many professionals use SketchUp, and programs like it 3D modeling and design have a huge market. Now when it comes to creating a multimedia of its objects from the 3D printing, so we can here in the 3dx Max the simplicity and accessibility, SketchUp is quick and easy to use. So most of the companies are using SketchUp for the small scale. In small scale industries, most of the SketchUp is using for the interior design as well as exterior design, and it will show the accuracy, precision, creating 2D drawings. You can create very easily 2D drawings we can create, and we can create a presentation document also. So this software will call as an editing software and a Beam supported software. Okay, so we can do here interior as well as exterior designs also. So next you see here, see this one SketchUp models what we have done in the projects here. So you can create some exterior designs, like how we are going to create in Revit architecture. Same thing we can create here also, as well as exterior architectural designs, interior design with the lighting effect and visualization also you can provide by using a plugin of a V-Ray software. So now see here next software, it is in here StatPro. So StatPro is a software for structural analysis design software. Okay, so this StatPro is from the, and see, so we are going to use the for mostly for the structural analysis. This application originally developed by research engineers in international 1997. StatPro is one of the most widely used structural analysis and design software product worldwide. StatPro is also one of the popular software that used for analyzing and designing structural like buildings, towers, bridges, industrial transportation and utility structures. StatPro shows accurate result in the measurement of shear force and bending moment. StatPro does not involve any manual calculation, hence it saves time and increases efficiency. StatPro helps the engineers in improving the structure section and dimensions here. And see, you can see the some StatPro structures here in the images, and this you can do the analysis for also for small buildings or large buildings also. So here this design is made it in the StatPro V8i version software. Okay, for steel frame structure with truss roof. Okay, this one is one truss roof, it is there, that for that one it is analysis. So now you can same one more software is there, like similar to like StatPro only, but this software is advanced compared to StatPro. The software name is ETABS. ETABS is nothing but extended three-dimensional analysis of a building system. ETABS is an engineering software product that caters to multi-story buildings, analysis and designs, modeling tools and templates, code-based load, precisions, analysis methods and solution techniques, all coordinate with the grid line geometry unique to his scale of a structure. ETABS is the best software for modeling and analysis because it is specially for buildings only, and in the case of highly accurate result at each point, then Abaqus is the best for it because it is the latest software of FEA. Okay, so this is a few software what I have told about in what we are going to teach in the CADnest. So we are having some more software also. We'll continue in the further video. I'll just discuss in further video also, like project management software. So we are having like project management software like MSP and Primavera PPM concept, Okay, so some some interior rendering and exterior rendering software also we are available here. So in that one also I'll discuss in other videos. So thank you so much for the watching.